You may not know, but if you want to build something new or put an extension to your home or business, you must comply with the national rules called the Building Regulations 2010. The building regulations are different from planning rules. Building regulations make sure that all buildings are safe, secure, warm and watertight. I've come to this site today to see how the project is coming along and to make sure that the work meets all the regulations. This will soon be someone's home, so I want to make sure that it's 100% right. Before any work gets going, sometimes the building control officer will have an informal chat with the developer and go over any problems that may come up. For example, if you're building over a public sewer, or to make sure that you allow for access for the emergency services and so on. After all the paperwork has been rubber stamped, the building work can begin. Our officers will normally go out on site to inspect the foundations, the floors, the sewerage system, the structure of the building and so on. Then once we are satisfied that the building meets all the regulations, we will release a completion of work certificate. This document is all important when it comes to selling the property. We oversee all sorts of projects across the country, some of which are iconic buildings and are a part of the fabric of the local history, and some of which are National Quality Award winners.